ships, obviously with the family, and we're going to obviously might have a cup of coffee while we're out and about, and a couple of beers, and hopefully see some friends from out of town who will be coming up to take in the scenery of Hartlepool. It will be positive because obviously they're going to come to the town and they're going to realise what a good place Hartlepool is, and they're going to bring, next time they come, they'll bring family and friends with them.
Do you think that there's a lot more that needs to be done before the summer?
Yeah, have to be a lot of work done, and the infrastructure has got to be upgraded.
Hartlepool economy?
It will be good for the economy. We obviously bring welcome money into the town. The money what we get in could go on to future ventures.
But do you think it might damage the environment, the amount of ships that are coming in?
No, I don't think it will affect the anything like that at all.